Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2021 Mercedes Benz GLC. It's dead easy. Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
navigate to McDonald's.
Here is what I found. Where do you want to go?
Number 1.
I am calculating the route. Take the second exit at the roundabout and continue to follow A675.
Easy as that. Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
cancel navigation.
Cancelling route guidance.
That's the easiest way to do it. The other way, let's just go out of navigation. So to find navigation, let's whiz along there. To find navigation, you click on, just move that out of the way, you click on the home button, brings up this screen, and then just, I am absolutely useless with this. It's like a haptic touchpad. So select navigation. You've got where to down there. It's already on where to. So you can also click without taking your fingers or your hands off the steering wheel. I can also move that from here. I find this touchpad on the steering wheel to be a heck of a lot better. So where to, click. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and then let's see, P. Where's R gone? Where's R? I've lost R. Do you know? Oh, it's up there. R. Now we need to go to numbers. Numbers are down at the bottom here, so across to numbers, select numbers, and then back up. PR5. 4. Will it default back to letters? No, it won't. So we go over to letters again, onto there, PR5, 4E. Oh God, I'm useless. A, PR5, 4EA. Now it's thinking about this. A675 Preston, Blackburn Road Preston, and so on. It's all saying 100 yards. So from there on, you can choose which one of those you want. It's giving you a choice of the things, but I'm going to choose that one. They're all the same. Click on that. Blackburn Road, destination details. That's the navigation.
Your route is being calculated.
Just click
Take
to select.
the third exit at the roundabout and continue to follow A675.
That's it. So you can do it. You can just tell it where to go. You can do it with this sensor to say that it's. I'm too ham-fisted because you can slide along like so and then press it to select something. I can't work that. It's too advanced for me.